Welcome back. It's Valentine's Day. Prudent Media tried to hang out to find out the best couples. This year, Valentine's Day was celebrated openly by most of the friends, hanging out to cheer their mood on Valentine's and have fun. We also met some senior people who fondly responded to us on Valentine's special and shared their cherished moments. Have a look.
Happy Valentine's Day. Love is in the air. Everyone can catch your eye, but you require that someone special to steal your heart. Valentine's Day is all about flowers, cards, hearts and different kind of articles. So why not start with the flowers? Let's see what this fellow has to tell us about flowers. Here we have Injamul and he is going to tell us what kind of flowers were on sale. Usually people opt for roses, lilies and that too the color is only red on Valentine's Day. Of course you can gift your friends, your parents, your family members and anybody, but then the color is red. इंजामिन मुल्ला आप बताइए कौन से फ्लावर्स अभी तक सेल हो गए हैं?
ज़्यादा रोजेस सेल हुआ।
क्या हुआ?
गुलाब।
जिसका रेट रहता है 10 rupees, 50 rupees. आज क्या है?
आज 20 rupees.
20 rupees. Yeah. We have Sneha here and let's see what she has shopped for Valentine's this time. Sneha, tell me, what have you bought so far?
I just bought a short mini dress and I'm planning on buying a t-shirt and a top.
Hi Samrud, happy Valentine's Day.
Hi.
How are you celebrating Valentine's this time?
Let's see, maybe quiet dinner, barbecue or something. Let's see.
Quiet dinner?
We're just shopping somewhere dear and then we're having some outing in north.
So if you have to say something to Simon, what would you say?
I love you.
I love you too.
There are so many ways that you can express your love. One of them is cards, as I had told you earlier. I have one card in Marathi, although I'm not very fluent in reading Marathi, but then I can try. This is Valentine's Day. So this says, तू आणि तूच, तुला भेटतो तेव्हा डोळ्यासमोर तू दिसतेस, तू निघून गेल्यावरी डोळ्यासमोर तूच बसतेस, आठवणीत तू, विचारात तू, काम मध्ये असले तरी तंद्रामध्ये तूच असतेस. 38 years and they are still...
We met on Valentine's Day.
Wow. How was it?
Yeah,
Where did you meet?
we met, he came on holiday and that's how we met.
Okay.
In Bangalore.
Okay. You can share the experience. How was it? Who proposed first? You or she?
I did.
You did? Wow. How was it? How did you propose her? With a flower?
No, by letter.
By letter from UK to Bangalore.
People usually say the best moments of the life are spent with those who you love. Here is something for all the lovers who would like to choose. This is a beautiful card with a pendant. You know what it says? It says, you are the one who makes hopes worth sharing, dreams worth daring, risk worth taking, plans worth making, life worth living and love worth giving. So, in return, here's promising you everything that makes you feel loved. With video journalist Omkar Falari, I'm Greta Menezes for Prudent Media.
Team Goa University won the journalism event organized by the Department of Journalism of St. Xavier's College. Many journalism students of various colleges participated in the day-long event.
Department of Journalism of St. Xavier's College had organized a one-day event, Calamus, where people speak for ourselves. This was first event organized by the Journalism Department of St. Xavier's College. The day-long program hosted various activities.
And he was sitting
on a bench dreaming
of Sheila. Full stop. Now next sentence. He
was thinking about
Sheila.
Team Goa University were declared as winners of the event.
Quite interesting. We got to do a lot of new innovative things and got to learn a lot of new things. It was a good experience and we won the overall championship, so it feels really good to be in that position.
Event got good response from all the colleges.
We participated in almost all events and the organization and food and everything was just awesome. We got 2-3 prizes also and it was nice. Very well organized. We would love to come here again. Kudos to the whole program. It was super.
It was amazing to have this event for the first time at the St. Xavier's College. Thanks to our college principal and teachers who supported us for this event. It was nice to put a word about journalism out there. Like, journalism really means something, and we're doing it from the bottom of our hearts, and we would really like to learn this and spread the good word.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatti.
The Goa Muslim Forum has decided to boycott all Congress-NCP candidates for the forthcoming assembly election. They say that the Congress party has cheated them by not allotting ticket to Saifullah Khan from Murmugaon. They say Congress has given them a losing candidate in the form of MK Sheikh for Fatorda and have decided against him.
The Muslim community under the banner of Goa Muslim Forum has vowed to teach the Congress party a lesson by not voting for any of their candidate. They say they will vote for any other deserving candidate irrespective of any party.
काँग्रेसीन मुसलमानाचो घात केल्लो आसा. गोवा मुस्लिम फोरमान हे निर्णय घेतलेलो आसा की गोंयांत ज्या 40 जाग्यार काँग्रेस कंटेस्ट करतात, जावं ती एनसीपी जावं ती काँग्रेस, आमी तांकां वोट करपाना. आनी हे अवेरनेस आमी गोंयांत वचून क्रिएट करतले आनी मुसलमान खरे अर्थान दुखलेले आसा.
They argued that by declaring MK Sheikh's name for Fatorda, the Congress has given them a weak candidate. They say they had demanded Saifullah Khan's name for Murgaon.
आणि गोंयचे 2 लाख मुसलमानांनी इतलें सांगलेलें की तोच कॅन्डिडेट आनी मुर्मुगांव तुमी आमकां सीट दियात. काँग्रेसीन इतले दीस काडले फॅमिली टिकेट डिक्लेअर करपा खातीर तांच्यांनी मातसो पण टायम काडूना. फॅमिली टिकेट डिक्लेअर तांच्यांनी 15 दीस पयलीं केले आनी एक मुसलमानाची टिकेट तांच्यांनी डिक्लेअर करपा खातीर लास्ट दीस आसा म्हणून ते आयतारा डिक्लेअर केल्यात. काँग्रेसीक खबर आसा की फातोर्डा म्हणटा थंय फक्त 1861 वोट्स आसात आनी थंय मुसलमान जिखपाक शकना आनी मागूंकच ना टिकेट. पण दाखोवपा तांकां जाय आशिल्लें की आमकां तर आतां अशें दिसता की काँग्रेसीकूच नाका की मुसलमान खऱ्या अर्थान जिखून असेंब्लीन पाविल्लो.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.